Good job.
Nice job, Eli.
It might have not started right at the very beginning of your flip. Try to flip it. Try to flip again real quick. And there you go. All right, go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead and swim underwater and I'll time you. Move out of the way, Lily.
Say go.
On your mark. Get set. Go.
Look at me.
12 seconds.
Mom.
Hang on.
Oh.
13 seconds.
Can you
Pretty good.
Well, I am doing good.
Yes, you
You
are.
make me fast.
Yeah.
Can I jump with you?
Okay, Lily's gonna jump.
Sit on the bench with me. Okay, you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, here we go. Hold on, I'm gonna run.